Happy day to all of you, my children. Greetings from Icon School of Excellence. I am Aditi, your teacher, and I am here to teach you language Hindi for the grade 1. I wish all of you are safe, doing good, and ready to learn. Today I am bringing you all an interesting topic. Before I begin, let me try and understand what you already know about this. From senior KG, you have learned swar. So, in my few sessions, we will learn about swar. We will take the letters, we will learn how to understand, how to look at the picture and recognize the first letter associated with them. Even in the words, we can see the first letter and recognize the swar. Fine. So, let's learn about swar once again. Here I am going to share you my screen. So, my topic of discussion today is all about swar. Can you see on my screen? Yes. Vishay subject is Hindi and class means Kaksha is 1, grade 1. Fine. My name is Aditi Vimal. So today my topic of discussion is Varanmala. Here is the heading Punaravriti means revision, and in Varanmala means Hindi alphabets. I have divided this Varanmala into two parts, Swar or Vyanjan. Full grade 1, it is all about only letters, Swar and Vyanjan. And you will, by the end of the session, you will be more expert in recognizing the letters even from your surrounding and live examples, objects, people, place, that which letter, whether it is by looking at the first letter or the first letter, you can see whether they are swar or vyanjan. But since this is our revision time, we will be more focusing on swar. So Varanmala is called the Hindi alphabets. Swar is called the vowel of Hindi alphabets. Vyanjan is called the consonants. So let's start with swar first. वर्ण ध्वनियों को सुने. So children, one more thing is you have to remember that you should know the sound associated with these letters. Okay, and here also you can see the heading हर वर्ण की ध्वनि को सुनिए. Listen to the sound of each letter. Fine, you will not say this letter is a, you will not call it a. That is wrong in Hindi. This is a varan. Fine, so speak after me. A से अनार, pomegranate. Very good. A से आम, mango. After A comes E. E से इमली, tamarind. बड़ी E से ईख, sugarcane. Fine. Speak after me once again. A से अनार, A से आम, E से इमली, E से ईख. There are two ways to speak this letter. Either you will call it badi E or E. Okay, stretch the voice. After badi E comes U. U से उल्लू, owl. U से ऊंट. For this letter also there are two ways. One is U and one is bada U. Fine children. So for this bada U, bade U से ऊंट. After bada U comes Ri. Ri से ऋषि, sage. A से एक. Speak after me. One. I से ऐनक, spectacles. Let's read these 5 letters once again. U से उल्लू, owl. U से ऊंट, camel. री से ऋषि, sage. A से एक, one. I से ऐनक, spectacles. After I comes O. This is O varan. O से ओखली, mortar. औ से औरत, woman. अंग से अंगूर, grapes. Aha. Aha is, we are using its two dots to complete the word pratah. Pratah means morning. As such, there is no word that begins with aha. So you can say also that aha hai akshar khali. Fine. So speak after me once again. All these letters. A, E, E, U, U, Ri, A, I, O, Au, Ang, Aha. So how many letters are in the swar? If you will count these letters, they are 13 in number. So there are 13 swar letters. And one more thing, letters is called swar, varan in Hindi. Fine? Letters are called varan. So they are varan. O varan, Au varan, Ang varan, Aha varan. Fine, children? Now let's practice reading and writing these letters. So heading is स्वर वर्णों को पढ़ना और लिखना सीखें. Means let's learn to read and write these swar letters. So this is your copy page here. On the top you will write the heading Punaravriti. And here on the first line you will write swar, sa, vara. Underline it. Here in the corner of the page you will write the date. Whenever Hindi class will be there, you will write the date on the top. Fine. So here I have this page, and here I have written the first letter. Let's see how to write these letters. First, you will write 3 sleeping line, standing line, upper line, a. So which varan is this? A varan. Now give the gap. After gap, you will write a. How to write a? First you write a, then standing line and upper line a. Upper line is also important. Some students will forget to write this upper line. They will not write. So it is also not good. Remember to write the upper line on above the letters. Okay. After a, give the gap, then write chota e. How to write? Small standing line, then S, then tail and upper line. This is called E. Again give 2-finger gap and write the next varan badi E. First like S, tail, and then there is a curve on the top, slipping line. This is badi E. Remember that now you are in grade 1, so you should know how to write these letters. Letters should not be very close to each other. Fine, children? And there should be gap between the letters. There should be neatness in the letters when you are writing. That is most important, and you are learning in Hindi in grade 1 only itself. Fine? After badi E, you will write another letter U. The next letter is U. It is like a 3. So you will write U and the sleeping line here. Can you see that my letters are not going out of the line? So remember, whenever you will get the school copy also, there also I will tell you how to write these letters, and your letters should not come out of it, out of the line. It is not good. So next, after U comes bada U. First write chota U, then there is a tail and then upper line. This is called bada U. After bada U comes Ri. First standing line, then upper and lower slanting line, then small letter R, then upper line. This is called Ri. Ri se Rishi. After Ri comes A. A se Ek. How you will write A? Standing line, right slanting line. Standing line, left slanting line and upper line. This is called A. After A comes I. How you will write? First you write A and on the top matra I. This is called I. Varan. Fine. Next letter you will write just under Badau. First write A, then standing line, then top matra, and then upper line. This is called O. O varan. Give the gap. Next varan just under Re. First write A, standing line, then two matras, and upper line, that is called out. Again give the gap. Write A, then on the top ang bindu, sleeping line, this is called ang. Leave the line also. Can you see there is a gap between the lines, because since we have only 13 words or letters, we are writing with a gap. We are leaving the lines also, so that it will look beautiful also when any teacher read. And it is above all good when you see your copy neat. So children, can you see here it is aha. Last varan is aha. How you will write? First write a, put two dots here, upper line, this is called aha. So this is the way to write all these letters. There should be gap, there should be neatness, they should be in a line, one after the other. Line should not go to the left side or should go to the right side. They all letters should be in a line. Can you see here? Yes. So after writing and reading these letters, let's take the examples for these letters. Anya udharan means another examples for these letters. So first varan in the swar is a. A se anar, pomegranate. A se adrak, ginger. It is found in the kitchen. Yes. So anar and adrak, they both are starting with the varan a. So they are the examples of a varan. After a comes a. A se aam, mango. A se aag, fire. Both aam and aag, they're starting with the varan a. Can you see? Here is a. In aag also, first varan is a. So like this also you should know that which varan is there in the first place. So here is the first varan is a. After a comes e. E se imli, tamarind. E se elaichi. This is the another example of e. Both are starting with the varan e. After e comes badi e. Badi is a eek, sugarcane. Badi is a int, brick. Here in the word int also you can see first letter is badi e. In eek also you can see the first letter is badi e. So here also this is another way to recognize that we are taking the examples of badi e. After badi e comes u varan. U se ullu, owl. U se ungli, finger. So both u and u comes in ullu also, u comes in ungli also. After u comes bada u. Bade u se oont, camel. Bade u se oon, wool. And in the word itself, the first letter is u. In oont also, the first letter is u. So they are the examples of bade u. After u comes Re. Re se Rishi, sage. Re se Rishabh, bull. So both Rishi and Rishabh, they are starting with the varan Re. Here also in Rishabh word, first letter is Re. So there are many ways to see these letters and understand these letters. By pictures also, through the words also, even through the letters you can see the pictures and understand what is the name of the pictures. There are many ways. After Re comes A. A se ek, one. A se edi, heel. Fine. After A comes I. I say Ainak, spectacles. I say Airavat. This is Lord Indra's elephant. Both Ainak and Airavat, they are beginning with the letter I. After I comes O. O se Oakley, mortar. O se Os, dew. Dew is what? In the morning winter season, that some dews, some water droplets are always there on the, even on the flowers or everything that is wet. In the morning when you see there are some water droplets, that is called dew. Fine, children. So both Oakley and O's, they are starting with the letter O. Here also O's is starting with the word with the letter O. After O comes Au. Au se aurat, woman. Au se auzar, tools. So both aurat and auzar are starting with the letter Au. Find this letter. After Au comes Ang. Ang se angur, grapes. Ang se ank, number. Any number, like from 1 onwards, any number. They are called ank. Both angur and ank starting with the letter ang. So they are the examples. And last is aha. Aha comes in prataha and namaha, means morning, and namaskar. But as such, there is no example here in which aha is the first letter. Can you see the difference? That for I, O, au, ang, here in all these words, the first letter is always from the swa. But here, as such, there is no example that begins with aha. So in one way, you can say that aha akshar khali, or you can say also that these two dots are coming to complete this word prataha and namaha. Fine. Now let's talk about some questions related to स्वर. चित्र देखकर पहला वर्ण लिखें. Now in the screen you can see that there are a lot of pictures, and there are boxes also here. Can you see there are empty boxes, square boxes under every picture. So what is the meaning? That you will see the picture and you will write the first letter in the box. Fine. How? Let's take the examples and you will answer. And if you get the topic, you know the answer, what to write here. Fine. For example, let's take the example of this grapes picture. Grapes is called angur. So what is the first letter in angur? Yes, that is ang. Ang varan is there. So where will you write ang? You will write ang here in the box. Here. Ko ang bindu above top dot and sleeping line. So that is called ang. Ang se angur. Now did you get the concept? How will you do other questions also? See the picture, write the first letter. You know that what is the second picture name is? This is Oakley. So what is the first letter in the Oakley? Yes, first letter in the Oakley is O. And how you will write O? First write a, then standing line, then matra, then sleeping line, O. Fine? Yes, here you will write O letter. Fine? Next is the picture of fire, right? Fire is called Ag. So first letter in the Ag is, it is very simple and interesting. Which letter will come here? Yes, A varan will come. So all of you will write A here only. That's it. So that will make you interesting, all these topics. It will be easy for all of you to understand also. Fine. There are a lot of pictures, coloring part, drawing part, and learning also the letters. Hope you are understanding all these topics. Fine. Okay, next picture is picture of sage. Sage is a rishi. So what is the first letter? First letter in the picture of sage. What is the first letter in the rishi? Yes? Anyone? Yes, Re. So all of you will write Re here. Fine. Next picture is Ainak. Ainak is what? Spectacles. Fine. Spectacles is called Ainak. So here you will write, what is the first letter in the Ainak? It is I. So all of you will write only I varan here in the empty box. Got it? Isn't it nice? Yes. So this is the picture of camel. Camel is called oont. We call it oont in Hindi. And what is the first letter in Hindi? Oont is bada u. So all of you will write bada u here. Fine. Now did you get the concept also? So by looking at these pictures, you were able to write the first letter of the name. Fine, children? So let's do the revision once again. Abhyas means revision or punaravriti. So speak after me, children. Swar, vowels. हर वर्ण की ध्वनि को सुनिए. That is again important thing. So keep remember. Okay, remember it. Speak after me. A से अनार, pomegranate. A से आम, mango. E से इमली, tamarind. E से ईख, sugar cane. Speak after me. U से उल्लू, owl. बड़े ऊ से ऊंट, camel. री से ऋषि, sage. ए से एक, one. I से ऐनक, spectacles. Very good. Speak after me. O से ओखली, mortar. औ से औरत, woman. अंग से अंगूर, grapes. अह खाली अक्षर. Okay. और अह comes in pratah, morning. Fine, children. I am believing that you get my topic. Swar, practice these letters in home in your rough copy. Main is the writing part first. First, you should know how to write these letters, and you yourself check that whether you are writing correct, whether the order is correct. Fine, or you can take the help of your parents also. Fine, children. So this will be your homework. गृह कार्य है आपका. स्वर वर्णों को 3 बार लिखकर अभ्यास करें. Write swar letters 3 times in your copy and practice it. Fine, children. Hope you understand it. So children, I am believing that you are able to understand these swar letters. Fine. And I hope you all found today's topic interesting, and I believe you were able to understand all that was discussed and explained. And one more important thing, I want all of you to revise on what was taught on today's session at least twice and do your homework without fail. And I look forward to see you in my next session and eager to bring you all interesting topics. Lots and lots of wishes to you. Thank you, children.